In today's video, I'll show you how to join the Agoda affiliate program quickly and easily. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Agoda affiliate. Click on the official Agoda affiliate page to get started. Next, log in with your existing Agoda account. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up and create one using your email, name, and a secure password. Once logged in, fill out the affiliate registration form. You'll need to provide details about yourself and your website or app so Agoda can assess your application. Accuracy here is key. After completing the form, read through the Agoda affiliate agreement carefully. This covers your responsibilities, terms, and any legal considerations. Once you agree, submit your registration for review. Agoda will notify you once your application is approved. After approval, you'll gain access to the Affiliate Center, which provides tools to promote Agoda, increase traffic, and maximize your earnings. And that's it. You're now ready to start earning with the Agoda affiliate program.